Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make any pose in your iClone 8 3D animation software. How to pose any 3D avatar in iClone 8. So start from now, I'm going to show you all this step by step. Everything will just start from a fresh new project. And I don't want to save anything. I'm going to just use the CC4 camera as an example. Once you're ready, load the 3D avatar. It automatically selected. Next, what you need to do is just go and click here, then edit motion layer. From here you can toggle whether you want to see the bones or don't see the bones. For me, I prefer to see the bones. And now just double click any of the bone that you want to make a pose. It is really simple. Double click it and press E, then you can rotate it. And what about if you want to rotate the foot? The foot you are unable to rotate, but what you need to do is just select here. Then just press W. Then you can move it in that way. Then press E. You can rotate now. It is something like this. Here also. The foot always lock. So what you should manipulate is the foot itself. And the rest of the body parts, what you need to do is just double click the bones, then you can just make a pose. Everything are really easy. It is not something difficult to make a pose. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to pose in iClone 8 3D animations. Make any pose for any of the CC4 avatar and iAvatar, any 3D avatar in iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!